She looks mad. You can pet her. I think we should open it for her to get out. You don't want to get out? Wait, let me see what happens. Do it again.
Oh, did they score at the end?